So here is how you can make Safari your default browser on your iPhone. So let me show it to you practically step by step how it works. If you are new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So what you're going to do is to open up settings, and at the bottom of this page we have the all apps view and mode, right? And this basically means that we have the ability to change the settings for individual apps, but the first menu at the top is called default apps. So you can click there and change the default selection of different categories, right? Like for example, the mail app of your choice, you get to pick it in here. And the same thing applies to the browser app, which is below. Keep in mind that you only have the selection if you have another, at least like one other default browser outside of the Safari, right? So if you have some downloaded app like Google Chrome or DuckDuckGo, these apps were not part of my iPhone when I installed it, so I had to download them from the App Store. So once you download multiple browsers, then you get to select which one you want. But since we want to make it Safari, you just select it like this, and now you can leave it, and that's essentially it. So now whenever you click on a link in messages, emails, or anywhere else, it's going to go to Safari and it's not going to use the other browsers. Outside of that, you of course have the ability to just delete all of the other web browsers installed on the phone, leaving you only with Safari, and that's again something which you're going to do, but yeah, it's much more practical to just switch it in the default browser section. So I hope it helps. Let me know what you think about it below. I'm going to wrap it up right now, and I will see you later in the future videos.